My name is Andreas Herrler. I'm teacher at Maastricht University, and the last week I dissected together with Enatom. So I dissected, they scanned our specimens, a pelvic floor at the end, and we started dissecting all organs first, or showing all organs first, then the blood supply, thereafter the innervation, and at the end all the organs got took out to show the pelvic floor. The pelvic floor is very relevant for our teaching and for students to know, not only for medical students, but also for midwifery and others, because the pelvic floor is relevant for continence. And to be incontinent is a very unpleasant situation, and on the other hand, it's part of delivery. Therefore, midwifery is very interested in this. These are very delicate, small muscles, and we never had a specimen like this in our collection, and it's normally not available just down to the pelvic floor muscles. And we are now happy to have the whole set from inside with all organs at the end down to the muscles in a digital version to make this available to the students anytime, anywhere, that they can prepare themselves before they come to the dissection hall, and afterwards at the dissection hall we can show this specimen to them and they can study it. On the other hand, we did head with all the cranial nerves, and the cranial nerves are interesting to know the nerves by region and destination, and to have this together in one head is good to have and to show. But on the other hand, it's delicate, and giving it to students, it will break after at least 10 sessions and it's gone. Having this digital, it will last forever. On the other hand, we are quite happy that we also can share our specimens all over the world, as we are happy also to get specimens from other people.